So I'll be reviewing today this Nescafe Coolest cold coffee kit. As you can see guys, it's totally amazing. So yeah guys, let's open it. As you can see, this is just wow. You get a Nescafe coffee pack and a jar and a straw and also a frother with 2 fridge magnets. So yeah guys, I'm gonna make coffee now. So the first thing is this Nescafe Classic jar. MRP it's around 275 INR. Yeah. So the next thing is this straw, and you got a cleanser brush with this. As you can see, here's the straw and there is the brush inside. Yeah. So yeah, it works great. Like we have to stop using plastic straws and should replace it with steel straws. The next thing is this frother, and I can't even tell you that how much I love it. And batteries are not included in this. Yeah. And the next amazing thing is this glass jar. I love how it looks, and I like the color combo red and black, and I totally love it. Thank God it came safely to me. I thought it came broken, but it came safely from Amazon. And these are the 2 magnets I got. One thing I was disappointed about this was I got the same recipes on each of magnet, like same. I don't know why same. So yeah, I'm gonna put batteries in my frother. As you can see, it quite easily work, like just add up the batteries and switch on the button and you'll easily froth it. Yeah. So this is how you put your batteries in and lock the upper side portion, and yeah, it easily slides up. And now I'm gonna on it, and the vibrations are like shaking my hand. It shakes up your hand, so you need to grab it very tightly. So yeah guys, let's make some coffee now. Cold coffee for the day. I'm gonna add some, I think 2 spoons of coffee in that jar. So here, as you can see, I added 2 spoons of coffee. The whole ingredients are mentioned in this video. As you can see, I'm adding 2 spoons of coffee. Here's the second one. Now I'm gonna add sugar in it. I added 2 spoons. And now I'm gonna add some little warm water. I changed the jar with this Nescafe glass, so I thought I'll make a short lot of it, so I changed the glass. As you can see, it is clearly visible that how the frother works, and look at that beautiful froth. I was literally so happy that time. It was totally amazing to see this beauty. So I was like continuously whisking it so I can see how much froth it makes. As you can see, I'm gonna do it again. Yeah, I totally I scattered some, but I like it. I just really love the way it works. As you can see now, look at that beauty. I say this kit is totally worth it. Like, you will enjoy making your own coffee. So yeah guys, now I'm gonna add some milk in it, and after that I'll add the ice. So yeah guys, I'm gonna add ice now. Yeah, so it will taste so good. Here is your perfect cold coffee. You can enjoy it, and yeah guys, do share if you make it. I enjoyed making it really. So guys, here I'm going to make same coffee recipe in this jar, as I didn't show the jar previously. So you can see that I'm gonna make it in this jar, and all the things are same. It's just that glass difference is there. So yeah, here you can see and enjoy, and do make your own coffee and enjoy this kit as much as I did. Thank you so much guys. Yeah guys, enjoy your coffee. Hope you enjoyed this one.